In this video, I'll show you how to download a Facebook ads invoice. First, sign into your Meta business account on your desktop. Once you're inside, open Ads Manager. Next, click Billing and Payments from the menu. This will take you to your billing section. After that, scroll down to the Payment Activity or Transaction History area where you'll see your recent charges and payments. Now, find the invoice you want to download and click on the transaction. Next, click Download Invoice or Download PDF, depending on the option available in your account. After that, the invoice will be downloaded to your computer as a PDF file. Now, open the file to review the invoice details, including the billing period, payment amount, account information, and transaction details. Finally, save the invoice in a secure location for your accounting records, tax reporting, or business documentation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download a Facebook ads invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.